everyone, good morning to all of you. I am Archana Priya at Rajesh Kamal Spoken Center taught by Mr. Vikram sir. Today I will tell about dolphin safari. Now, the National Mission for Clean Ganga has launched dolphin-based ecologist program including dolphin safari on 5th October 2020 in the occasion of Ganga River Dolphin Day. It was launched firstly at 6 places in India across 3 states which are Bijnor, Brisghat, Prayagraj, Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, Kahalgaon in Bihar and Bandeli in West Bengal. It was launched to preserve the ecology of Ganga River and conserve the Ganga River dolphins. The National Mission for Clean Ganga Director Manager Rajiv Ranjan Mishra says that such ideas will help to aware people towards the biodiversity of Ganga River and importance of conserving aquatic animals. Here, dolphin safari means a journey by a group of people of the purpose research to observe dolphins in the natural habitat. It means in river. In UP Bijnor, dolphin safari has been opened at Hadarpur wetland in Ganga River, which is a part of the Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary. Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary included 5 districts which are Bijnor, Meerut, Amroha and Muzaffarnagar, Hapur. Here the well-trained volunteers known as a Ganga Praharis, they belongs to the local communities and they will take tourists at the side to view the dolphins by the help of boats. They are also working for the cleanness of Ganga. Here question is that what's the need to conserving the Ganga River dolphin? So according to the IUCN, it means International Union for Conservation of Nature, Ganga River dolphin is endangered. Ganga River dolphin is also known as a Gangetic dolphins and it's play important role to providing a valuable river ecosystem because it's an indicated species as well as at the top of the food chain. So it's play important role to providing a river ecosystem. Here question is that why they are going to endanger? Because of some reason like hunting, habitat fragmentation by dams and barriers as well as sand mining and also a pollution is a reason. Government has taken many types of steps to conserve the dolphins. Just like every year on 5th October we are celebrating that day as a Ganga River Dolphin Day, and in the 2009 by Dr. Manmohan Singh, Ganga River dolphins or Gangetic dolphin declared as a national aquatic animals. In the year 2012, the Conserve of Dolphin program was started with WWF with UP government. Now I mention some fact about the Gangetic dolphin. Firstly, Gangetic dolphin is not any kind of fish, it's a mammal. They only live in a fresh water, we can say meetha pani, and they are unable to see. That's why in many of the places it recognized as a blind dolphin, which scientific name is a Plantica gangetica. They are hunting their prey with a unique method by using ultrasound waves, and they are found in the Ganga, Brahmaputra, Meghna river system and Karanpulli Sangu river system, which is spanning in the 3 countries Bangladesh, India and Nepal. Here a campaign was also started regarding the dolphins, which name is My Ganga, My Dolphin. That campaign was launched to census the dolphin into 50 kilometers stretch Bijnor to Narora.